Today, we'll be focusing on how to embed your Twitter feed into your Google site. The first thing you want to do is come to your Twitter profile. Make sure you're clicked on the profile tab in order for your web address for your profile to show up in your Omnibox. Highlight that text and you can click Command C or do Edit Copy in order to copy that text. The next thing you want to do is open up another tab and you want to go to publish.twitter.com. Publish.twitter.com will bring you to this page. This page is going to ask you, what would you like to embed? So we want to enter our Twitter web address that we just copied. So I can click Edit Paste, or I can do Command V to paste my web address in there. Once you do that, you click your arrow and it gives you some display options. You can have your embedded timeline or you can just have a Twitter button. A lot of the times on the Google site, it's nice to have the timelines so that parents and others can see the things that you're posting right there. So it gives you a quick overview of what your Twitter profile looks like right now. You can also here set customized options where you can play around with the height and width. You can choose a light or dark mode, or you can even display this in different languages, which is pretty awesome. Once you're done with that, you want to click update if you changed any of this or canceled. It gives you a code. You're going to copy the code and it tells you that it copied right into the cloud. Now, the next thing you want to do is open up your Google site. You can do this through your Google Drive where it's saved. You can create a bit.ly link, which gets you there quickly, like bit.ly / and I made it easy so that my students can find me and put my Miss A Day's third grade at the end of it. Brings me to my site quickly from anywhere. And once you're on your site, you can always, and as you can see, my tweets are already here, you can always click edit, the edit button, which is a really quick way to edit your page. When you click on the edit button, you want to make sure that you are on the page where you want to embed your Twitter in. So once you do that, we're going to pretend like this is not here. So I will create a new section, click and drag that over, get rid of some of these placeholders. We get rid of one placeholder. And now I'm going to use the embed option or double click and use my embed option. What we copied before on this site is an embed code. So you're going to click embed code, and as you can see, it says HTML code goes here, and it says paste this code directly into the HTML portion of your site. So we are going to paste our code and then click next. It will give you a preview and you can insert. And there you have it. Now your tweets will automatically update on your Google site as well as your Twitter feed. You can play around with the size. As you can see, mine up top is not as big as this one. Usually a size like this is pretty good. And then when it is good to go, don't forget to publish. And then when you come back to your page, just like mine is already here, it will be embedded in your site, and you, other educators and parents, whoever visits your site will be able to scroll through your tweets as well. Thanks so much. Happy tweeting.